Let's go ahead into the OBD monitor test. It's going to load the screen. It's going to show first, specifically for this vehicle, exhaust gas, the exhaust sensors. You go down, it's going to show O2 sensors, catalyst monitor bank, evap monitor, purge flow, and then you're going to have misfire count data. This is a V6, so it's only going to have 6 cylinders. Hit enter when you have each cylinder highlighted, or either one you want to look at, and then for each cylinder it's going to have 4 different pages. So it says 1 of 4 in the upper right corner, 2 of 4, 3 of 4, 4 of 4. Now have all your information. Now this vehicle has no misfire counts, and nothing ever misfire in this vehicle I've had stored. But you're going to also have to know your hexadecimal number and do a little math to actually get the values. There you go. That is your misfire count data. To get out of the screen, just hit menu.